Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 6th, 2025, we're taking an in-depth look at Bitcoin or BTCUSD by analyzing the recent news and the latest chart data. First, let's dive into what's been happening in the world of Bitcoin. Recent news indicates some interesting developments. Cointelegraph suggests that the recent Bitcoin sell-off to $93.5 thousand might be a brief hiccup, and their data still supports new highs in 2025. Meanwhile, U.S. House lawmakers have unveiled a crypto market structure bill which may affect the markets. We also see Trump's dealings with crypto raising questions. Let's see how this news correlates with the current chart data. We'll start by looking at the one-day chart to get a broad overview of Bitcoin's performance. On the daily chart, we can see a lot of volatility. A large peak in early 2025, followed by a large crash back down. Now, let's dive down to the one-hour chart. If we narrow in, we can see some smaller patterns, but not a clear consolidation. Let's zoom into an interesting range of candles. Looking at this range of candles on the one-hour chart, we see price oscillating between $96,000 and $97,000. A breakout of either level may lead to a significant move in that direction. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart for more detail. On the 15-minute chart, we observe a choppy market, indicating a lack of clear direction in the very short term. Keep an eye on the support around $95,700 and resistance near $97,000. Based on these patterns, there is potential for both bullish and bearish scenarios. If Bitcoin breaks above $97,000, especially with positive news regarding the U.S. crypto bill, we could see a rally towards $100,000. However, if it fails to hold the $95,700 support, a further decline is possible, potentially testing lower support levels around $93,000. Good luck trading!